If CapCut notification on Windows are getting in the way, I'll show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few seconds. This is a simple fix if you want a cleaner workspace, fewer pop-ups, and a more distraction-free editing experience while using CapCut on your PC. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, launch CapCut on your Windows computer. When the app opens, make sure you're on the main dashboard and not inside a project yet. That's important because the setting we need is easier to find from the home screen. Next, look at the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once the drop-down menu appears, click settings again to open the full settings panel. Now inside the settings window, look along the top menu bar and go to the general tab on the far right. This is where CapCut keeps the notification preference. In the general section, you'll see an option that says allow CapCut to send notifications. Simply uncheck that box to disable notifications. After that, don't forget the final step. Click save to apply the changes and make sure your new setting is stored properly. Once you do that, CapCut should stop sending notifications on your Windows PC, and that's it. You've now disabled CapCut notifications on Windows in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.